Today in this video we will learn how to record a screen on Linux. And to make things easier, we are going to install Chrome extension instead of installing any other application from the terminal, which makes things complicated. And so we are going to install a Chrome extension which will also help us to live stream with the webcam, and you can also record a custom part of your screen.
Let's install the Chrome extension which we need to record the screen on Linux from Chrome Web Store. And don't worry if you're not using Chrome, as the Chrome extension we are going to install is available for both Firefox, Opera and Brave. Since Chrome is the most popular, I'm going to install it on Chrome.
Click on the apps menu from the toolbar. Click on the first icon to open the marketplace for the Chrome extension.
Now search for screen recorder in the search bar. After searching for screen recorder, you will get a lot of extensions related to screen recording, but the best one according to me is an extension called Screeny. As you can see, this extension has a lot of features like directly uploading the screen recorded file to Google Drive. Now, to install the extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. After you click the Add to Chrome button, you will get a pop-up message from Chrome to add an extension. At that time, click Add Extension to install the extension on your browser. Wait for it to download the extension and install it. After the installation is finished, a new website will open up on a new tab, which proves that the Chrome extension was successfully installed. Let's start recording the screen and explore the features which are packed in this extension. This extension has also a feature to take screenshots as well as screen recording. We can also take custom screenshots of a custom area or even a whole page of a Chrome tab or even your whole desktop. After you have finished taking the screenshot, you can click on the download icon to download the image which you just took as a screenshot. If you want to see the previous screenshots and screen recordings you took, you can go to the History tab and click on the Live History, which will open a new tab and will show all your screenshots and screen recordings. Now let's record the whole desktop, which is the main purpose we installed this extension for. Go to the video tab of the extension and choose your preferred desktop recording mode. You can choose a custom one or a whole desktop. I will use the whole desktop for now. You can also select to record specific apps if you want, but I'm going to choose the whole desktop. As you can see, after finishing the recording, we can also download the file or even upload to the Google Drive using your account. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and want to watch more videos from me, then hit the subscribe button. And also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video and stay updated. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can join my Telegram channel. Link in the description below.